while I'm trying to get my website set up, I've been using Instagram a lot, and I like to upload 3D models or stuff even from my channel. And you can see pretty much what I've been up to lately, and also you can DM me about business and get some custom t-shirts or even 3D prints done by me. My cousin gave me the idea to make this. He just showed me a few examples of what they look like. So I designed this in a honeycomb style. And right here, that's my cousin's Instagram name. And the ones that I usually sell, though, they say Honey Buddy on them.